Hello everyone. This building right here is an abandoned Subway restaurant on Northeast Sandy Boulevard, located number 3 in Portland, Oregon. So let's check this place out, shall we? Sign is gone. Everything's boarded up, unfortunately. There's probably no way to peek through the window. I have never seen a former Subway being boarded up. This is probably in a bad area, which I wouldn't be surprised about it. I wonder what the inside looks like. It's kinda hard to tell whether the interior is empty or not. Only the interior knows what it looks like. I don't even know if it has powers on too. I'll never know, I guess. I have 2 videos of the other abandoned subways on the same road. If you haven't seen them all yet, please do so in the description below. This is obviously a freestanding former subway building. I rarely see those. Majority of subways are usually located in strip plaza, if I'm correct. I do know that this place is for sale. Maybe there can be another restaurant. Who knows? And that's pretty much it. That's gonna wrap up for the video. Make sure you give it a like, comment, share by doing so. And until next time, peace out.